Hi, boys and girls. I'm here to do a quick letter drill with you. These are all the letters that we've learned so far. So you're gonna do the same thing that we do in class. I say it, you say it, we do the sign language and the motion. Okay, ready? I, itch, it. M, man, P, pan, A, apple, ah. T, top, t. N, nut, S, snake, s. Good job. You know what I'm going to do now? I'm going to hold up the cards, and I'm not going to say them. I just want to see if you can do it. So I'll hold up the card, and I'll wait a couple seconds, and you do it. Awesome job, guys.